Good afternoon. It's time for a live demonstration here at the HYTORC booth as we bring to you the unveiling of our new Lightning Pump series, and of course a Spotlight on New Technology award winner. And Eric Junkers, president of HYTORC, is here. Eric, tell us about this groundbreaking tool that you guys have brought here to OTC this year.
Yeah, we've been working on this for many years. It's a development that we're really excited about, and the recognition from OTC is just tremendous. And what it is that we've built into this pump is really everything that we had wanted to develop as far as the industrial bolting systems are concerned for hydraulics. Hydraulics are obviously a mainstay. They are a standard within heavy industry for heavy industrial bolting. And what we were able to do here is truly exciting because battery pumps have been around for a little bit, but there's been no battery pump like this. This is the highest performing, smartest battery pump on the market. So the advantages are obvious to a battery pump, but it's all the other exciting features that are built into this that really take it to that next level as far as intelligence is concerned, documentation capacity, performance is concerned, to be able to run 4 pumps at the same time, synchronizing your bolting work. It is the biggest advancement that we have ever made with our industrial power packs, bar none.
When it comes to product making, you guys have the HYTORC standard, job efficiency, job safety, job scheduling, all that falls into it. How does this meet that criteria?
Yeah, those are the boxes we need to check. We need to find ways to enhance one's job safety, job schedule, and just making the bolting work easier and better. And that's exactly what we have here. There's so many built-in features for safety, as far as safety is concerned, as far as job quality is concerned, to get data off of the work, to have a paper trail for quality control, as far as efficiency is concerned. There's just so much that we've got built in here. And then you bring in the portability factors that are obvious within a battery-operated pump, and you've really got something that is going to set the standard for heavy industrial bolting work moving forward.
Well, let's see this groundbreaking product. Let's put it to work here. The Lightning Pump Series, Spotlight on Technology, a New Technology Award winner. Go ahead, Eric.
Yeah, we've got right here our graphical interface that's right built into the pump itself. So this is just a larger display of what it is in the background. One of the big things we wanted to do with this pump to advance it was to utilize the technology we have available to us, but also to take into account the intuitiveness of the system. We needed it to be simple and straightforward. It had to be, we had to get away from a lot of that guesswork, a lot of those challenges with typical bolting practices that led to some errors, that led to some mishaps, where human error comes into play. And so that's exactly what we built in here with all the software development, making it as intuitive as possible. This main screen you see here, you have manual mode, automatic mode templates, and it really couldn't be simpler as far as selecting the work you want to do and making sure that everything is clean and easy. We've got right here, this is our smart unit. So it's got everything built in right here. Automatic mode is the route we're going to take. You simply would click on automatic mode. You dial in the torque. Right now it's set for 400, sounds good. I'll keep it at 400. Just simply hit OK. Nothing more to it. Again, hit OK. Now you're going to select the tool. We wanted, again, the days of having charts that were associated with certain tools we get to look at pressure conversion is over with. You simply select the tool from the graphical interface, and it gives you the only tool that can work for that required foot-pound output. And here you've got all the job settings. It's got exactly what it is you're going to do, so you have that confirmation before you proceed. You hit OK, then it tells you very simply what you need to do. This step is very important as far as safety is concerned, to ensure all of the bolting equipment is working as it should. It's calibrating the system. It's a check. It's something we built in to make sure that everything is working the way it should be. And all you do is you simply hold down this green button that is illuminated on the pendant, as it states right on the screen. All the tools are on the ground, and it is checking everything, making sure that everything is in good working order before you go and put it on the job. And that's it. It says system measurement successful, brings you to the next step, which is start tightening. Place tool on the bolt. So we've got 4 tools here. Again, we wanted to go with 4 tools. That's simul-torque. That is the most efficient, safest, best way of going about your bolting work. This pump was designed with that in mind. We had to be able to use 4 tools. We're using 4 tools. And again, the highest performing pump that HYTORC has available right now is this Lightning pump, battery operated. George is putting 4 tools on the job, set up in the right way to make sure that you get that even closure on that joint. It is going to ensure that that joint is brought together evenly and properly. And the system, the elegance of this system is that it is making sure that the tools are synchronized. So you're not having one that's ahead of the other. They're going to bring them all together in tandem and bring that joint together evenly. Again, couldn't be simpler as far as what you need to do. It says, place a tool onto the bolt, press the green button. I just simply hold down the green button. You see everything displayed here. It's showing what torque that you're at right now. 396, you're working your way towards 400. Bringing them all together, very clear, audible noise that says the job was done, green light, and we have gotten our bolting work completed, plus minus 3% accuracy, complete even closure of that joint with that 4-tool system. So simple, intuitive, straightforward.
Eric, what are some of the challenges in the field that led to the creation of this battery pump?
Well, the fact of the matter is, with your typical hydraulic bolting systems, you have to have a power source. You have to have an air source. It's one or the other. That comes with complications in and of itself. You don't always have an outlet available. Or if you do have an outlet, it might not be an adequate power supply to allow for the amperage spikes that the pump can draw. Beyond that, as far as air is concerned, a lot of times you don't have access to air that you need for this unit. Not to mention the fact that there's variances with the air quality and so forth and so on. The fact is that this is the reality of the world we work in. We're working at heights, we're working in different spots. That is not always possible. And even when it is possible, it presents a trip hazard. So we wanted to get away from it, allow for the great portability that battery-operated tooling and battery-operated systems have given us, but do it in a hydraulic system. And that's exactly what it is. Folks have been clamoring for this type of technology, but it wasn't ready. And when we said we're going to get into it, we're going to do it the HYTORC way, we're going to do it the right way, and that's exactly what we have. The highest performing, smartest pump we've ever developed.
HYTORC solved your challenge out in the field. This is the solution. It is battery powered as the Lightning Pump Series. This is the smart version here. We have the standard. If you want your own customized personal demo, come on by. Plenty of us here ready to talk to you. We'll be here the rest of the day. Hold about 4 o'clock. We're going to go collect the Spotlight on New Technology Award. HYTORC, a 5-time winner. It's the 5th time, in fact, that HYTORC will be collecting that award that's outlined above, the Spotlight on New Technology. For Eric Junkers, I'm Tony Marino. Make sure you stop by the rest of the day for some customized demos. Thanks, everyone.